Good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to LNS Air Filtration Systems webinar. This session will be 30 minutes. First 20 minutes will be presentation. After that, we can have a Q&A session. You can have a Q&A menu in your screen. During the presentation, if you got any doubts or queries, you just type down. We will be answering after the presentation. Once again, welcome. LNS established in 1973 in Jura, Bernois, Switzerland, the home of watchmaking. Over 45 years of experience, we have worldwide presence of sales and service network. We have 9 manufacturing facilities. All manufacturing facilities is 9000 ISO 9001 certified. 3 manufacturing facilities is in North America and 3 manufacturing facilities in Europe and 3 manufacturing facilities in Asia. LNS Machine Tool Peripherals India LLP is our main office, head office is situated in Chennai. Mr. Tamil is looking after Chennai region. We will be giving support, spare part support and sales support from this. Mr. Balu is looking after northern region, sitting in Delhi. Myself, Selju, looking after western region, sitting in Pune. Mr. Shaji is looking after all over India customer support and OEM sales. LNS is providing one-stop shop solutions for every machine tool industries like electronics, aerospace, machine tool, medical implants, energy, automobile, etc. Our mission and vision. LNS provides one-stop shop solutions for every machine tool industries. Like we will be providing bar feeders, high pressure cooling systems, air filtration systems, and chip conveyors. LNS vision is by 2022, LNS will be the global leader for providing one-stop solutions for machine tools. To succeed this, we'll be providing the best-in-class service and products to our customers. LNS air filtration systems. Why air filtration systems is required in our factory? We all know when we are using oil-based coolant systems in our factory, there will be lot of oil mist coming from out of our machines. When we are breathing this kind of oil mist, what effects will be there in our body? Lot of negative influence it will create in our body. We will discuss that. Whenever we are discussing about the particle sizes, what we are breathing, that will be mentioned as PM10, PM4, PM2.5 and PM1. This value is measured as like micrometers. PM10 will be 10 micrometer. So more than 10 micrometer particles will be stay out of our body and less than 10 micrometer to 0.1 micrometer entering in our body. 10 micrometer particles will be like fine dust, pollen, mold particles, and PM 2.5 particles like combustion particles, asbestos, bacteria, and PM1 particles like soot particles and viruses. So we can discuss what are the effects and what is the body parts it will be affected by these particles. PM10 particle will be entering in our extrathoracic region and it will be filtered up to PM4 particles will be filtered by our body itself. After that, smaller particles like PM4 to PM2.5 particles will be entering in our tracheobronchial area, that is our lungs area, and less than that, it will PM1 component will be entering in our alveolar area. These particles will be affect our lungs and it will be affect our lung capacity and it will create breathing issues. When we are discussing about ambient air value, the average PM10 limit in India is 0.08 micrograms per cubic meter. The peak PM10 in New Delhi which is measured by Indian climate control, that is 0.5 micrograms per cubic meter. And how about in our factories? We have taken a test in our China factories, and we have got some results like around 3 micrograms to 1 micrograms per cubic meter materials like particles will be there in our factory. So how we can able to reduce it, how we can able to breathe a good air from this, that we are going to discuss in this. Benefits of air filtration systems, as I discussed in the previous slide. First one is operator health. We can able to provide a good breathing air to our operators by installing our air filtration systems. Second one will be clean air, clean factory atmosphere. Whenever the oil mist coming out from the machine, it will be creating lot of issues, like it will be entering in our electronic devices. It will damage that, and it will be like in our machine surfaces and floor. So we can able to create a clean factory atmosphere by installing air filtration systems. Third one is collects oil and drain back to the machine for use. Lot of oils is coming out from the machine. So it is actually, it's very costly. Oil is getting very costly nowadays. So now we can able to reuse, take down and reuse the particles from the mist. The fourth one is small footprint. LNS air filtration systems is very simple and it is easy to mount in the machine. There won't be any much space is required for installing our filtration systems. Now we can discuss about the types of air filtration systems in LNS. We have two types. One is media filtration, that is. Second one is electrostatic type filtration. This is our new product we are launching in India. LNS air filtration system, that is Fox VS2 model mechanical type filtration systems. Main characteristics of our mechanical type filtration system is compact dimension, high reliability, easy maintenance, low energy consumption, and guaranteed filtration efficiency. We have three integrated filter stages combined into one, and by using of cartridge filter, we can able to give a larger filtration area compared to panels and bag filters. And we have light impeller, and there won't be any vibrations in our system. It is easy to maintain. There one opening system, one opening door will be there. We can able to access our filters very easily, and we can able to change it or clean it very easily. Coming to our working principle of filtrations, mechanical type filtration system. So there will be three stages of filtration. First stage will be initial or pre-filtration. Composed of three different stages, progressive filtration, we can able to filter almost 92% oil mist in the initial stage itself. The second stage will be intermediate filter, that is a centrifugal type filtration. Special impeller is used for the centrifugal effect, and that enables to continuous discharge the recondensed particles. And third one is final filtration, that is extended filtration, which is we are using a fiberglass filters here, and we can able to achieve up to 99% efficiency here. And whenever if the filters is clogged, we can able to identify by a pressure gauge. We can have a pre-filter option also, and by this we can able to prevent small chips entering to the air filtration systems, and high oils like oil molecules we can able to prevent in the first stage itself. Now we are coming to electrostatic filtration systems. Electrostatic filtration we can use only in Oil-based coolant machining. We cannot use some situations like machining with a water-based coolant, machining with plenty of dust like grinding or polishing, and machining with organic solvents, gasoline, benzene, kerosene, alcohols, etc. Flammable gases, corrosives. In these conditions, we cannot able to use our electrostatic air filtration systems. Now we are going to see our working principle. There are two stages of filtration. First stage will be pre-filter. That is like before it's a mechanical filtration. You will clear out the fine chips and the rough oil mist from here. And the second stage is the major stage of electrostatic filtration. Whenever the particles enter into this highly charged area, like electrostatic area, and these particles will be charged to positive and negative, and we have collection plates like positive and negative plates will be there, and negative particles will be collected by positive plates, and positive parts will be collected by negative plates, and the clean air will be going out. We have a post filter option also. By this, we can able to achieve 99.95% filtration. Also, we can able to connect a connecting plate. If it is a closed space, this emitted air we can able to collect to like outside. We can able to do that. Main characteristics of electrostatic filtration. First, LNS air filtration systems is specially designed with an assembled cell, and it is repairable instead of replacing new one. And filtration efficiency can be reached up to 99%. An example, if a oil mist concentration of emission is 20,000 microgram per cubic meter, by using of LNS air filtration, electrostatic air filtration systems, we can able to reduce it to 260 microgram per cubic meter. And compared to the competitor, it is around 460 microgram per cubic meter. We have two doors are there in our system. It is for easy maintenance. The first main door, we can able to access the filters, pre-filters and the cell, and second one will be electrical cabinet, and it is equipped with a safety switch. We have a automatic discharge option. We are connected with a 6 kilovolt DC voltage when the main door is closed. When we are opening the main cover, all fins will be connected directly to the ground, and it will discharge immediately within 20 seconds. Compared to our light easy installation, LNS FOX filtration systems, HE systems is very lightweight compared to competitors. LNS FOX HE 1000, 49 kg, LNS FOX HE 1500, it is around 79 kg, and the cell weight is 8 kg in the FOX 1000 and 12 kg in 1500. In our system, we have a wireless connection system, wireless connection cell. It is easy to maintenance. It is easy to take out the cell from the filtration system, and we can able to clean it and put it back. Compared to competitors, they have a cable connection. It will be low safety and difficult to maintenance. We can able to compare now. We have seen two types of filtration system. One is media filtration, one is electrostatic filtration. Now we can able to compare both. In media filtration, the filter pores is using for the filtration particles. So whenever the filter is getting clogged, the filtration efficiency will be getting decreased. In case of electrostatic filtration, the mist and particles collected by electrostatic force So there won't be any clogging and flow rate reduction problem because of the clogging. Filtration efficiency will decrease after the time of some usage, maybe cell. And we have, for installation, we have different types of stands available in our product range. We have as I said last, we have one more option with a HP EPA kit, like a high efficiency filter for 99.95% efficiency filtration. And we can have a connecting plate also to connect things, the duct filter by a central collection unit. Technical data of our air filtration systems. Fox HE1000 having 1100 cubic meter per hour at 0 Pascal. That is the airflow. And in 1500, it is 1500 cubic meter hour at 0 Pascal. And weight 49 kg in HE1500, 79 kg. Current rating 0.87 ampere, and in HE1500, 1.2 ampere. Sound rate level 67 decibel, and here also 67 decibel. And filtration rate is 98.3% in HE1000, and in HE1500, 98.7%. Now we can able to see some installation photos. The first case is from India. We have installed HE1000 in NextGen mission. Second case is from China, Tsugami B20265 mission. This is actually 3.8 liter we have got it from collect from in a one day. So actually customer was using high pressure coolant and very high cutting. So maybe case to case it will different, but we can able to save our oils because by use of air filtration systems. The case 3 is from China, Tsugami B205 mission installed with our stand. Fourth case is also from China, B20265 mission, 20 units we have installed. This is Citizen A20 from Malaysia, Fox HE1000 4 units with a bar feeder and chip conveyor. Thank you for your time, and if you have any question, you can just type down in our Q&A session. I can able to answer. It is in one question I received, Shivaji Apke. It is micrograms or milligrams. It is micrograms. The particle size is in micrograms. Thank you, everyone.